In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the back post treble crochet. So hopefully you've already watched my video on how to do the back post double crochet. And if so, this will make a lot more sense. I've done the row of chain stitch, I've done a row of double crochets, and now I'm going to chain one. You can chain one or two, and then I'm turning the work over. At this point, here's what's different between the double and the treble stitch. Instead of yarning over once, I'm going to be yarning over twice. And now to continue with this stitch, I will be going around from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back. I'm going to yarn over, pull that through, yarn over again, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and yarn over, pull through two. So here we go again. Next, we're working around this stitch right here. So we're going to yarn over twice, and then we're going to go from the back to the front, wrap around this stitch and go from the front to the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And you'll notice we are basically working into the back of the row, into the back of the initial row. So we're yarning over twice, inserting the hook from behind, going around, and then going from front to back. Now that we're in the back of the piece, we yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops. And if you feel like I'm going a little fast, just go back, watch the back post double crochet video, and it's the same thing except we're yarning over twice this time. And then on the other side, we're pulling through two loops every time. There you go. Two, two, and two. Yarn over twice, going from the back to the front, then the front to the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, and pull through two. And there you go. It again looks like this front initial row is overlapping the back row. You turn it over, and it just looks like one continuous stitch. And that is the back post treble crochet.